Hey guys, welcome to Dow Jones Futures. I'm going to go over what went down since last night and this morning. Levels could not be better. I'm very proud of the work we're doing here. If you don't understand, then please watch previous videos or just ask questions in the comments as opposed to thinking you have no idea what's going on. I'm happy to explain. Real quick synopsis: white lines are major levels, orange lines are minor levels. Ideally, I'm looking for setups that I like around the major levels. Two major levels nearby to each other is kind of like a zone. One line, it's like its own little mini area, and from there we're off. So last night we had triggered this failed breakdown. This was the low I was working with. We came down to this level, bounced, offered a direct long or a dip in recovery here. Uh, Almost triggered this failed breakdown, but didn't quite hold it. If you were patient, you were able to catch a mini failed breakdown here of this low. And if you wanted to be a little bit more vigilant, then you can see we tagged this minor level here, sold back down and started pushing up, and your entry would have been better off around 2 o'clock. That worked level to level before one more dip into the entry area, and that took off another level or two up. From there, we consolidated all into the evening Monday, into the overnight session. We came back and had a perfect dip in recovery here at this level. I couldn't have drawn it up better. Simply, we bounced at the level, didn't offer much there, and then we dipped below and then recovered it. As I woke up, I noticed that I took the long there. I liked the way this level had been defending, and that went up 2-3 levels all the way to almost tag this major level and zone I have up here. This is a clear resistance zone to me now. From there, we sold down, and then we had a couple little setups here. The first setup would have been simply the dip in recovery here that occurred. We went all the way, almost tagged this level, and then we recovered this level. Recovered this level above. You could have pretty much went long at this green level, and that went up from about 5 points, a decent trade. But ideally, at that point, I was not interested in it. I wanted a little bit more of a flush into this zone, at least, if not this level below. And we got that. And then a couple ways to approach this. There was a mini failed breakdown here of this low. However, with these clusters of lows and these lows here, I clearly wanted to clear all them. And we had the failed breakdown entry area here that almost became the same level for me here for entry. So simply put, I was waiting for this major level to clear one more time, as well as 1 or 2 points above, clear all these lows for the long. And we just got that. That's why I'm doing this video. An awesome failed breakdown of this 46, 48 level, tagged this zone, and then came right back up, consolidated around that entry for 15 minutes. I entered when we closed above. Not that we needed to close above, but just to be safe, I waited a little longer. And then right after, we got a nice big candle here to rack all these 3 levels. And now I'm looking at us potentially hitting this zone one more time, and that deciding the rest of the day. If we can't get up there and we decide to sell, I don't think it'd be out of the realm of possibility to lose this red line this low and duck below that level, maybe even go a little lower. But realistically, I would like to see now price consolidate, maybe come back into this trigger area one more time, and then maybe take off later this afternoon. So that's Dow Jones Futures, absolutely crushing it. Please like, comment, ask any questions in the comments.